Students, good morning. In our previous class, 7 day before, we started to learn from Unit 2, that is MySQL functions and joining operations. We learned in our previous class what is function, types of functions. There are two types of function. One is system defined and another one is user defined. In our course, it is only system defined. It can be further categorized into two categories: scalar function and aggregate function. A scalar function are those functions which require single value at a time, perform operation over that value and returns the result. Suppose we are having 10 rows in a table and apply function over a particular column, then it will perform operation over all the values one by one for 10 times and return 10 results. Suppose in this example we are having student table with name column. It will return left 4 characters from name column of all the students. An aggregate function is the function which require multiple values. It performs operation over all the values and returns result in combined forms. For example, sum function, if we write select sum and then in bracket pass the column name from then table name, in that case sum function will sum up all the values of that particular column mentioned. So basic difference between these two type function is I have explained. Now in previous class we learned how to use POW or power function. Both are same. These function return power of the value. If we pass on the integer value, it will return integer returns only, and if we pass any one argument as real value, it will return real value based result. In this, there are two examples. Select POW 2, 3, it means 2 to the power 3, it return 8. Whereas if we are writing select POW, then 2.37, 3.45, it means 2.237 to the power 3.45, and it returns result accordingly. It's very easy. The same function can be used for database column name also, but those column name must be in numerical form because power function work over numbers only. Okay student, now we move towards our next function that is very important. At least 1 to 2 marks question in every exam, session ending exam, 1 or 2 marks question is asked. That is very easy. With slight care, we can write or we can find out the correct answer. Now, what is round function? Student, you are familiar that you know. Suppose student, there is an examination of 10 marks question, and suppose one student achieve 4.5 marks Then in the integer form, what should be his marks? If rounded, 4.5 will be rounded to next integer, that will be 5. It means we use round function in our real life also. Suppose another student get 4.3, it should be rounded to 4 only. But for the benefit purpose, generally teachers round it to next integer, that is 5. But in mathematical term, every number which is above or equal to 0.5 is converted to next integer number, and if it is below 0.5, it should be converted to its base integer value. So the round function returns a number rounded to a certain number of decimal places. In this example, we have quoted how to convert marks in the integer form, that we were considering only 0 rounding place by default. But in maths or in SQL or MySQL, we have to specify up to what decimal places we want to round the number. So the syntax of round function is select, then column name, or here we can mention the value also. If we are trying to find out the rounding of a particular column's value, in that case we will mention the column name, otherwise we can pass here numerical value, and second argument, that is decimal places. Both are required. Okay, in this example, 454.352 is the value. Before decimal point 3 digits, and after decimal point we are having 3 digit, and its decimal places are mentioned like this. Just before decimal point sign, it is 0 decimal place. On tens, it is -1 decimal place. On hundreds, it is -2 decimal place. Student, you must know these decimal places, otherwise you will not be able to find out the proper rounding result. And right side, it means after decimal place, just next value is at position decimal place 1, its next is at decimal place 2, then its next is at decimal place 3. So decimal places position value is rounded to next integer if its next right side number is greater than equal 5. Okay, in this example, if we want to find out the rounded number at the decimal place 0, at decimal place 0, its value is 4, and its right side value, that is 3 after point. Don't consider here point. Next right side value is 3, that is not greater than equal 5. That's why its result will remain 454 only. Okay, now consider next example. We want to find out the rounded value of 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place value is 3. Its next right side value, that is 5, it means it is greater than equal 5. In that case, the current value, as we have mentioned decimal place, it is 1. It must be converted to next number, and 3's next number is 4. So 454.4 will be the result. Now take another example. We want to find out the rounded value up to -1 decimal place. In this example, at -1 decimal place, value is 5. Then its just next right value is 4. That is not greater than equal 5. That's why its result will be 450 as the result. Now take another example. Want to find out the rounded value at decimal place 2. Here value at decimal place 2 is 5, and its just right side value is 2, that is not greater than equal 5. So it will remain same. So the result will be 454.35 only. Okay. Practically we have done the same. How we can do? On practical the same. Here we are having, in this example, want to round. Select round. The value 454.352, 2. Here in this example, at 1 decimal place value is 3. At 2 decimal place it's 5. Okay. So 5 should be rounded, but it will not be rounded to next integer because its right side value is 2 only. So result of this rounding is 454.35 only. Now we take another example. We want to find out the rounded decimal place at 0, means at 0 position it is 4, and its just right side value is 3, that is not greater than equal 5. That's why it will remain 454. So rounding after decimal place right side values are discarded, and 454 will remain only. Now we take another example. 454.352, -1. At -1 location its value is 5, but just right side value is 4 only, that is not greater than equal 5. So its result is 4, 5, and next value is 0, because 5 is not converted, and after next value is rounded to 0, because if we remove the 0 it will remain only 45. So that will be not a proper rounding operation. Okay, next student, we consider this example. Select round 454.352, -2. At -2 location it is 4, but its right side value is 5, that is greater than equal 4. So current position value will be converted to next integer, that will become 5, and after that all value will be converted into 000. So 500 is the answer. Now we student perform the same operation practically. We perform this operation on this. We take the same example of value 454.352. 454.352. 454.352. Okay, and consider first of 0 rounding position, 0 as decimal place for the rounding operation. So at 0 location it is 4, and its right side value is 3 only. So 454 will be the answer and should be the answer. It is performing operation and is returning result that is 454 only. That is very easy. Now we perform operation at one decimal place. Okay. Now student, think yourself, at one decimal place value is 5 and its right side value is 4. Sorry, at one decimal place its value is 3 and its right side value is 5. So 5 is greater than equal 5, so 3 should be converted. Okay, it is converted 454.4. Okay, now we take another example. Here we change 2, it means 2 decimal place. At 2 decimal place value is 5 just after 3 and its right side value is 2, that is not greater than equal 5, so result should be 454.35. Okay, now we write 3 here. Okay, 1 2 3, at 3 decimal place it is 2 and then after there is no value, so should be considered 0, and 0 is not greater than equal 5, that's why it remains the same. Now we write 4, no value at 4th location. Okay, but what happened here, student? It assigned 0 at that place. So as we mentioned, more as the number are not there, it will round it to that place and will return the result to you, 7. So 7 digits are there. I hope that you are finding it easy. Now we move towards negative rounding places. Now I write here -1. At -1 position value is 5 and its right side value is 4. 4 is not greater than equal 5, that's why 4 5 and the next value will be 0. Okay, now I write here -2 and execute the query. At 2 it is 4, its right side value is 5. 5 is greater than equal 5, that's why current value should be converted to next rounding 5 and 500. Its result will be 500. So student, I hope that you all are familiar how to use round function. Thank you.